Good morning, students. For this lesson today, we will be looking at how to create simple financial plans. Therefore, by the end of this lesson, you will understand how to budget efficiently. However, in order to understand this, it is important that we understand what a budget and financial plan is. Financial plans and budgets help people to be financially successful now and into the future. A budget is a plan for spending and saving money. It is a financial plan for how money will be spent and saved over a certain amount of time. Budgeting and financial planning are effective ways to manage money. For the lesson today, you will firstly use one of the classroom iPads to complete a budget for a fun day out at either a zoo, water park or fun park. Once you have your iPad, go to the link which is displayed on the board. When you have reached this page, click Start. Next, you need to choose what place you would like to go for a fun day out and select Choose. You will be provided with a budget of $25. For this activity, you will need to choose one or more of the different travel, food and activity options. Once you have finished planning your fun day out, click Done. The website will show you the percentages of where you have spent your money on travel, food and activities throughout the day within a pie chart. After you have looked at this page, click Finish. The website will then direct you to a new page. If you have any money left over, you can use it to buy a class souvenir. If you are a fast finisher, you can play the game again, choosing a different place for your fun day out. This activity is a fun and quick task that will help you to understand what budgeting is in preparation for our main activity for the lesson.
Within the main activity, you will be put into pairs. In your pairs, you will create a financial plan using the Monopoly board, which will be displayed on the screen. Each pair will be given a certain amount of money to purchase 5 or more properties that are located in various places on the Monopoly board. For example, if I am given a budget of $950 and I have to buy properties from the orange, green and light blue properties and a railway station and utility, I could buy Bow Street, Oxford Street, Euston Road, King's Cross Station and the Electric Company. If I calculate the cost of all these properties, I would get $930. I can work out the difference between my budget and the total amount I paid for each of the areas on the Monopoly board by subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. My budget was $950 and I only spent $930. Therefore, I had $20 left over. Your aim in this activity is to try and buy as many properties as you can without going over the budget given. You should also try and save as much money as you can after purchasing each of the properties. Therefore, a tip for you is to try and go for the cheapest properties within each set. Once you have chosen 5 or more properties, you will be given a worksheet where you will have to complete a financial plan. You only have to complete one worksheet within your pair, but make sure you are both actively involved and participating in this activity. Your worksheets will be collected and marked at the end of this lesson. To conclude the lesson, you will engage in a donut circle activity where you will stand in 2 circles, one on the inside and one on the outside, and face each other. You will then be given the opportunity to discuss with your partner what you think a budget and financial plan is, as well as any other relevant information you have learned about budgeting during the lesson. If you are in the outside circle, you will be asked to move 3 places to the right so that you are facing a new partner on the inner circle. With your new partner, each of you will take turns summarizing what was discussed with your previous partners about budgeting and financial plans. Budgeting is a very important skill to have in life, and it also relates specifically to your final assessment. Within the assessment, you will need to create a budget in regards to the materials you need to buy for your house design. You will be given a budget of $50 to construct your house using paddle pop sticks, which is 75 cents, paper, which is 50 cents, glue, which is $8, and plasticine, which is $7.50. It is very important that you do not go over the budget for your assessment task.